In this video, I'll be showing you how you ungroup objects on Microsoft Word. So you can see this here. I have this grouped. I did that in my previous video. I'm going to show you guys how you ungroup this. So if you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's start with the tutorial. So to ungroup it, what we are going to do is we double tap this here for it to be selected. We move to the layout section. And then at the layout tab, we come to the arrange section, and then you can see group here, tap on this here, and you can see ungroup here. Just like I said, it has already been grouped. So we tap on ungroup to ungroup them. That's it. And now this on its own, this on its own, and this on its own. Now let's revert our action. And you see it's been grouped now. And since it's been grouped, you can move it here. So that's it on how you can ungroup stuff on Microsoft Word. If you are new here, you just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Have any question, you let me know in the comment section. And that's it for the video. Peace.